ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं शवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 609। Pralaya. 3 types of pralayas are mentioned here: Naimittika, Prakritika, and Atyantika. So now the Atyantika Pralaya is mentioning. Tika, second line. Dvitiya Pralayam Adhikritya Anantara Grantham Avatarayati. Or Anantara Grantham Avatarayati. Dvitiya Pralayam, here Dvitiya Pralaya is Atyantika Pralaya. टिप्पणी त्रैकाल्य जन्मादि हेतु अज्ञान ध्वस्ति ही बुद्धिपूर्वक ध्वंस तम उपादाय. सो दिस प्रलय इज बुद्धिपूर्वक, मीन्स ज्ञान पूर्वक. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ नॉलेज यू आर क्रिएटिंग प्रलय. अर्लियर प्रलयस दे वर हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ सम टाइम काल. भाष्य अविद्या निरोध द्वारेण यो भवति तदर्थोयम विशेषारंभ. अविद्या निरोध द्वारेण, बाय निगेटिंग अविद्या, यो भवति, यो कहा प्रलयः. तदर्थोयम विशेषारंभ. फॉर दैट विशेष आरंभ इज गिवन. टीका तत्र इति आत्यंतिक प्रलयोक्ति. नहीं, अप टू दैट ओनली विशेष आरंभ. नाउ यू सी द मंत्र. स यथा सैंधव खिल्य उदके प्रास्त उदकमेवानुविलीयेत न हास्योद्ग्रहणायैव स्यात् यतो यतस्त्वाददीत लवणमेवैवं वा अर इदं महद्भूतमनन्तरमपारं विज्ञानघन एव एतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यः समुत्थाय तान्येवानुविनश्यति न प्रेत्य संज्ञा अस्तीत्यरे ब्रवीमिति ओवाच याज्ञवल्क्यः. This mantra, this part is prasiddha. Na pretya sanya asti. This much part will be quoted in many places. Na pretya sanya asti. So it is part of this mantra. Drashtanta is given first. Sa yatha. Drashtanta yatha. So this Drishtanta, Sayatha, he has been saying in all examples. Sayatha Drishtanta. How is this Drishtanta here? Saindhava Khilya. Saindhava means the Saindhava, salt, namak. Saindhava Khilya means piece of that salt. Let's say small piece is there. Udake Prastha. So in a pot where there is water, you put the salt, piece of salt. Then udakam eva anuviliyata, it becomes one with the water. Naha asya udgrahanaya iva syat. Asya udgrahanam. Udgrahanam means to lift it again out of it. na syat, na samartha syat. You should understand. There is no one who can lift that piece of salt again after a few hours, let us say. Yato yataha tu adadita. So then somebody says maybe there is no lavanam. So you taste it like in Chandogya how he was told. So he tastes it. Yata yata. From wherever he will taste it. So first he will taste from the top. He will take some water, sip, salty. Okay. Half the water you pour down. So now you come to middle of the pot or glass. Then again taste it. Lavanam. Then you most of the water you pour down. Just one sip you keep. So you come to the bottom. Earlier, so if they say, from top you do achama. So you take it out from the top. Then in the same cup, if they say from middle you do achama. So how will you do from middle? Because you may put the spoon up to the middle. But when you lift it up, that middle is not coming. So now half the water, some water you have to throw out. Then from the middle you are taking the sip. Then most of the water you throw out. Then last sip, that is from the bottom. Adadita vidiling. Atmane pada dudaye dane dhatu. So in dadita, the dirgha comes because of the sutra ling siyut. Linga siyut. Linga siyut. So that C, E will remain and that will form E. So adadita, lavanam eva. It is salty only. Lavanam eva. Evam va are. O Maitreyi. Are is for Maitreyi. Idam. So Drishtanta is over. Now what is he showing? This Sharira, this Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, when it gets dissolved after the knowledge in Brahma or in Avidya you call, it will not come out. Idam mahad bhutam anantam aparam vijnana ghana eva. It becomes one with vijnana ghana. Etebhyah bhutebhyah samuthaya tani eva anuvinashyati. When it becomes one with this bhuta. Why? Because it has arisen from there. Etebhyah bhutebhyah samuthaya. Then tani eva anuvinashyati. There itself it will get dissolved. Na pretya sanya asti. Then thereafter, after pretya has two meanings. Literal meaning of pretya means after death, like in Kenopanishad, iha cheda vedi datha satyam asti. Na chediha vedi mahati vinashti. Bhuteshu bhuteshu vichitya dhira pretyasman lokat amrita bhavanti. Pretya asmat lokat pretya. So one meaning of pretya is having departed from here means videha mukti. And risen above deha bhava. While in this body also, when I understand I am not this body. So then, na pratya sanya asti. So then thereafter, there is no sanya for it. That I am Devadatta, I am Chaitra, Maitra, nothing. What is the Vijnana Ghana eva? Iti are bravimi, iti hovacha yagya. This is what I am telling you. So he says, this is what I am telling you. But now she will have a question. Maitreji will have a question that we will see later. See Tika. तत्र दृष्टांत भाष्य तत्र दृष्टांत उपादीयते स यथा. So in this drishtanta is taken up upadiyate. Upadanam means grahanam. Sayatha. Tatra means in case of atyantika pralayokti tatra. In bhashya, Saindhava khilyaha Sindhu. Sindhu means ocean. Sindhor vikaraha. Sindhu Nadi, Sindhu river is there. From there only is this Sindha Shabda, Sapta Sindhu Shabda, and Sindhi Shabda, Hindi Shabda. All these Shabdas have come from Sindhu actually. Even though there are so many rivers, that river was called Sindhu. And the culture which grew there was referred by the culture in Sindhu in those days, because those who had to cross that Sindhu place or come, the first river probably they faced was Sindhu. So that is why it was known in that way. Saindhava khilya, Sindhoho vikara. But here Sindhu means Samudra. Samudra vikara is salt because it comes from Samudra. Sindhor vikaraha, Saindhavaha. Sindhu shabdena udakam abhidhiyate. By Sindhu, what is referred is the water. But here Tippanikar clarifies it further. You see, Achalod bhutam eva lavanam saindhava shabditam natu samudram tasya pashanakarata bhavat. That which comes from the mountain, only that salt will be called saindhava, not the one from the ocean. Why? Because it is not in the form of a rock. It is form of a crystals only, fine powder. Unless it accumulates and it becomes, but it is created. Khilya shabdena cha atra tasya avivakshitatvat. So khilya is referring to the achalod bhutam eva lavanam. Achala means mountain. Himalayan salt is what people call that one. Anyway, what is important is to understand when I become one with Brahma, there is no sun after that. Shabdena udakam abhidiyate. Syandanat sindhuhu udakam tad vikaras tatra avova saindavaha. Syandanat sindhuhu. That which has syandanam, its flows, is udakam. Its vikara is tatra bhavava saindavaha. But you see, this is not present everywhere. Like in Ganga water, you try to take out salt, you will never get. So, even though Sindhu is udakam, in Ganga Jal you will not get salt. You will get only in the Samudra. Tatra bhavava saindavaha. Saindavascha asau khilyascha iti saindava khilyaha. That which is saindava and that which is khilya. Khilya means khila eva khilya. Khila kanda is there at the end. Khila means tukada, piece. So, here it is a piece of salt. And khila also means what is remaining. The pieces what are remaining, like big people take the big things, then whatever is remaining, they leave it. So the khilya it is called. So like in Brahadaranyaka, first 4 chapters, main ideas will be given. Then 5th, 6th chapter is called Khila Kanda. Whatever is remaining to be covered is covered there. Khila eva Khilyaha, Swarthe Yat Pratyaha. So in Khilyaha, it is Yat Pratyaya, Swarthe Yat. Udake Sindhau, Swayono Prastaha. That Khilya is put in the Udaka. Udaka is Sindhu. So now where is it kept? Swayonau, in its original place. Yoni means Utpatti Sthanam. Swayonau Prastaha. Prastaha, what is the dhatu?
As dhatu.
Asukshepane. Asukshepane is the dhatu. Pra upasargapurvak. Astaha means prakshiptaha. It is kept there, left there. Udakam eva vilyamanam anuviliyeta. Anuviliyet. It becomes Udakam alone, becomes one with Udakam. Tika. Udakam vilyamanam iti ayuktam. Kaఠिन्य विलये अपि तल्लय दर्शनात् इति आशंका. Udakam vilyamanam
Tallaya adarshanath, Swamiji.
Tallaya adarshanath. What did I say? Darshan. Tallaya adarshanath. Udakam vilyamanam iti ayuktam. Purvapakshi says, Udakam vilyamanam iti ayuktam. Why? Kaఠिन्य विलये अपि तल्लय adarshanath. Kaఠिन्य vilaya, even if it is there, total vilaya is not there. So he says, Ityashankya hai, yat tad bhauma tejasaha samparkat काठिन्य प्राप्ति ही खिल्यस्य स्वयोनि संपर्कात् अपगच्छति तद उदकस्य विलयनम तद अनु सैंधव खिल्यो विलीयत इति उच्यते. यत् तद भौम तेजसः संपर्कात्. Bhauma tejas, the heat on the earth, what is there? Bhumigata teja, bhauma tejasah samparkat kaఠिन्यम, kaఠिन्य prapti, when it becomes thick, solid. Khilyasya swayoni samparkat apagacchati. Kim apagacchati? Kaఠिन्यam apagacchati. So why it has become hard? When it comes in contact with some heat on the earth. But when it is put in water, which is its yoni, its origin, then swayoni samparkat kaఠिन्यम apagacchati. So tad udakasya vilayanam. Tad anu saindava khilyo viliyata iti uchyate. Udakasya vilayanam means this saindava khilya, its vilayanam is what is shown there. So it is not that udakasya vilayanam means water is dissolved, because if you say water is dissolved where? Everything gets dissolved in water. So udakasya vilayanam, you should understand kaఠिन्यम. Funny, it is given like that. Yathokta kaఠिन्य apagamatmaka udaka layanantara. Viliyata iti uchyate. So now it is said the salt is dissolved because it is not in the form of any solid thing. तदेतद् आह उदकम एव अनुविलीयत इति. तदेतद् आह, this is what is said there as udakam eva vilayata. This Saindhava Khilya will become one with udakam. Tika, not tika, bhashya. Naha naivasya khilyasya udagrahanaaya udritya purvavat grahanaaya grahitum naiva samarthaha kaschit syat sunipunopi. Even if somebody is very capable of doing other things, or he is a diver, he can go in the ocean and get things, but he will not be able to bring the salt out of the water once it is dissolved. Naiva asya khilyasya udgrahanaya udritya purvavat grahanaya naiva grahitum samarthaha kaschit sunipuno api. इव शब्दो अनर्थकः. इव शब्द ग्रहणाय इव स्यात् is given in the mantra. नह अस्य उद्ग्रहणाय इव स्यात्. So, इव is अनर्थक. टीका नह इति प्रतीकम आदाय व्याचष्टे नैव इति. So that nah is the pratika from the mantra. Then the explanation for that is naivasya khilyasya udgrahanaya udritya purvavat grahanaya grahitum naiva samarthaha kaschit syat sunipuno api. Asya khilyasya udgrahanaya naiva kaschit samarthaha. That naiva asya. So that naiva is given in the naiva samarthaha. That's why in Tika he says Anvaya Pradarshanartham Naiva iti Punaruktam. How many nakaras are there in that one vakya? 3.
3.
First naha is pratika from the mantra. Naiva is the explanation. Naiva asya. Then grahitum naiva samarthaha. That naiva is Punarukti.
Anvaya.
Why Punarukti? For showing the Anvaya. So that vakya is easy. So sometimes they do this for Anvaya Pradarshanartham. Grahanaya naiva samartha. So this is the meaning. He is not samartha for grahana. Kasmat yato yato yasmad yasmad deshat tad udakam adadita grihitva swadayel lavana swadam eva tad udakam natu khilya bhava. Yasmad yasmad deshat, from whichever desha, tad udakam adadita, from there he took the water. Then grihitva swadayet, having taken that, he takes a sip. It is lavanam only, it is salt only. Lavana aswadam eva tadudakam. So the water is nothing but salt, means it is salty. Natu khilya bhava, but he is not able to get the salt there. Khilya bhava grahitum naiva samartha. Yatha ayam drashtantah. एवं वा अरे मैत्रेयी इदम परमात्माख्यम महद्भूतम. Just as this is the drishtanta, so is, O Maitreyi, this Paramatmakhyam Mahadbhutam. How? So now you see Tika. Mahadbhutam ekam advaitam iti uttaratra sambandha. Mahadbhutam ekam advaitam. On the next page, in Bhashya, fourth line. Ekam advaitam mahadbhutam. It is given there on 612. That is the sambandha. परमात्माख्यम महद्भूतम. अस्य अर्थस्य सर्वोपनिषद प्रसिद्धत्व प्रदर्शनार्थो वै शब्दः. एवं वा अरे मैत्रेयी. So why are you saying why? Why is to say this is Sarvopanishad Prasiddha. This is very well known in all Upanishads. Sarvopanishad Prasiddhatva. For that, why Shabda is given. This is the Mukhya Vishaya of all Upanishad, to show that I am Brahma and that Brahma is Adhishthanam for all. Adhishthanam of all. Idam Mahadbhutam iti atra idam shabdartham vishadayati. Idam Mahadbhutam. Idam Paramatmakyam Mahadbhutam. So now what is idam? He explains. Yasman Mahato Bhutat Avidya Parichhinna Sati Tvam Karya Karanopadi Sambandhat Khilya Bhavam Apanna Asi Martya Janma Marana Ashanaya Pipasadi Samsara Dharmavati Asi Nama Rupa Karyatmika Amushya Anvaya Aham Iti. Up to this, let us see. Yasmat Mahato Bhuta. This Mahata Bhuta means Brahma, Paramatma. From this Mahat Bhuta, when O Maitreyi, now this is direct instruction for Maitreyi. O Maitreyi, because you got associated with Avidya. Avidya, you became Parichinna. Earlier you were Mahat, Aparichinna. Associated with Avidya, you became Parichinna, Sati. So many times they say, all the instructions are for men only, because like in Chandogya 6th chapter and all, the student is male. The Shvetaketu, Naradji 7th chapter, Indra, they all are Purusha. So here everything is in Strilinga. Parichinna Sati. Tvam Karya Karanopadi Sambandhat Khilya Bhavam Apanna Asi. Because of Karya Karana Upadi Sambandha. Now you see here, Maitreyi is taught Upanishad. So you cannot say Maitreyi should not be taught Upanishad. But then they will say, those who oppose, then they will say, no, this is Akhyayika, as it is given in the Vedas. That does not mean she is taught. There are different matams. But here it is clear she is being taught. Tvam Karyakarana Upadi Sambandhat. Tvam means Maitreyi. Means any jiva. You, the jiva, because of Karya Karana Upadi Sambandha. Karya means Sthula Sharira. Karana means Sukma Sharira. Karya Karana Upadi Sambandhat. Khilya Bhavam Apanna Asi. You have attained Khilya Bhava. खिल्य भावम आपन्ना असि मर्त्या and you think you are martya, mortal. Khilya bhava means you think you are a piece in this world. I am a small thing. Khilya bhava mapanna. Janma marana ashanaya pipasadi samsara dharmavati asi. And you think you have janma marana ashana pipasa ityadi. So jara marana ashana pipasa and
Shokamoha.
moha. Ashanaya, this is nipatita shabda, huh? For buhuksha, hunger. Pipasa is already known. Janma marana ashanaya pipasa jara shoka moha adi samsara dharmavati. So I constantly feel I am hungry, I am born, I will die, and other rogas are there infinite. I have this pain, that problem, this, that. There is no end to that. टीका अस्य अर्थस्य हाँ इदम तदिदम परमात्माख्यम महद्भूतम इति पूर्वेण संबंधः. इदम इदम मीन्स परमात्माख्यम महद्भूतम. खिल्य भावापत्ति कार्यम कथयति. खिल्य भावापत्ति, let's say खिल्य भाव is there. So what will happen? खिल्य भाव कार्य is मर्त्यत्वम. I am mortal. Anything less than infinite. Anything less than infinite. So I am slightly less than infinite. Still martyatvam, like Hiranyagarbha. So what to talk of anything? That's why we should not aspire to become anything in this world, because it's of no use. Anything less than Brahma, you are pretty much the same. You have not moved much. So there should be only one goal, Brahma. तदिदम परमात्माख्यम महद्भूतम. हाँ, खिल्य भावापत्ति कार्यम इस मर्त्यत्व. को असौ खिल्य भावो अभिप्रेत तत्राह नाम रूप. व्हाट इज दिस खिल्य भाव? नाम रूप कार्यात्मिका अमुष्य अन्वया अहम इति. अमुष्य अन्वया अहम. अन्वया मीन्स आई एम बिलोंगिंग टू सच एंड सच वंश और गोत्र. There is given Amukka Vamshya iti. I am in this Vamsha, in this Gotra. So sometimes the Vakya will be Amushya Putroham. That is Amushya Anvaya. टीका कार्यकरण संघाते तादात्म्य अभिमान द्वारा जात्यादि अभिमानो अत्र खिल्य भाव इत्यर्थः. इन कार्यकरण संघात स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीर आदि we do तादात्म्य. Once तादात्म्य अभिमान is there, तद्वारा जात्यादि अभिमान, अहम ब्राह्मण, अहम क्षत्रिय, अहम वैश्य इत्यादि जात्यादि अभिमान, और एनी अदर अभिमान ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, दिस इज खिल्य भाव. Anything less than I am Brahma is Abhimana. Huh? Abhimana does not mean here I am so great. That Abhimana is different. Here Abhimana is I am so and so. Other than I am Brahma, anything else that I entertain is called Abhimana. It is arising from Tadatmya. And people love this so and so only, Vishesha. Nirvishesha nobody wants. Khilya bhava. Iti shabdena abhimano lakshate. Amushya anvaya aham iti. That iti shabda is indicating abhimanam. Further in टीका यथोक्ते खिल्य भावे सति कुतो भूतस्य महत्वम इति आशंक्य आह. when such khilya bhava is there, such notion of narrowness, limitedness, parichinnatva, when it is there, then kuto bhutasya mahatvam, then where is the mahato bhutasya, where is the infinitude, what happened to that? Iti ashankyaha. So in my buddhi, this thing should keep coming. Whenever I get into some wrong thinking, that I want to become some Vishesha within this Namarupa, within this Karyakarana Sanghata, I want to add some more features. I want to add some more titles. What are you going to get out of this? Nothing. So never aspire for those limited things. And if they are going to come by prarabdha, they will come anyway, walking, looking for you where you are, because this title has to go on top of your head. Sakhilya bhavaha bhashya tava karya karana upadhi bhut upadhi sampark karya karana bhuta upadhi samparka bhranti janito. This khilya bhava is karya karana bhuta upadhi samparka. When association is there with their upadhi, because of that there is bhranti. Bhranti janito mahati bhute swayonau mahasamudra sthaniye paramatmani. So the bhranti janita khilya bhava. Whenever we are dukhi, this knowledge should strike immediately. Why am I dukhi? Khilya bhava. Parichinnatva buddhi. Why? Because of karya karana upadhi tadatmya, samparka. चमड़े की थैली से तादात्म्य करोगे तो क्या होगा? This is a bag of leather. This is a leather bag. In that, lot of things are put. Few kilos of blood, few kilos of bones. Bag is there. And now I am that bag. Brahma is saying, I am this bag. And dukhi. So then it is straightforward. This is what is going to happen. संपर्क उपाधि संपर्क भ्रांति जनितो महति भूते स्वयोनौ महासमुद्र स्थानीये परमात्मनि अजरे अमरे अभये शुद्धे सैंधव घनवत एक रसे प्रज्ञान घने प्रजानने प्रज्ञान घने अनंते अपारे निरंतरे अविद्याजनित भ्रांति भेद वर्जिते प्रवेशितः. Most of these shabdas are familiar. Mahati bhute. What is that Mahati bhute? Swayoni, one's own utpatti sthan. Mahasamudra sthaniya. In Drashtanta it is like Mahasamudra. In Darshtanta it is Paramatma. Paramatmani. What is the nature of that Paramatma? Ajara, Amara, Abhaya, Shuddha. So, ageless, deathless, fearless, pure. Saindhava Ganavat, like the mass of a salt. Saindhava Ganavat. Ekarase, that which is Ekarase. Then Prajnana Ghana, Ananta Apara, Nirantare, Avidya Janita Bhranti Bheda Varjite Praveshita. So Anante Apare, actually those words are given in the Moolam, and in Tippani they are explained on page number 609. Mahad Bhutam Anantam Aparam is given 3 and 4 number Tippani. Anantam means Akaranam. Aparam means Akaryam. So Karya Karana Varjita. That we will see tomorrow the meaning of those. No Karana, no Karya, Prajnanaghana ityadi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।